Welcome back. Today I wanted to briefly discuss the cinnamon brooms that I sent to everybody. I believe I sent them out the end of September throughout the second and the third week for October. So I had about almost 500 brooms. So some of you probably got two brooms because they went out in every single order that came in within those weeks. Now, when it comes to using your brooms, I want to just give you a few ideas and how you can incorporate them. Number one, you can incorporate them with your spells. So if you're doing any sweet spells, if you're doing any road opener spells, any spells for money, any type of rituals in which you are looking for a gain, you can add these sweet brooms to them. And what you can do is, what I would recommend is leaving them in the bags until you're fully ready to use them because they have a really heavy, strong, sweet cinnamon scent. And as you take them out of the bag, that heaviness in the scent, it begins to fade. It still smells like cinnamon, it still smells sweet, but that heavy kick when you open your order and you smell it, that smell is going to dissipate as soon as you take them out of the bag. So leave them in the bags until you're fully ready to work your rituals, your spells, and putting them on your altars and stuff like that. One of the things that I've done is hang them at my door. I've hung them in the doorways between the houses, going into different rooms to sweeten the energy. I love sweet energy. I love anything in which the energy stays really vibrant and common and where I can connect to it really well. So anything that is sweet, you want that in your life. But the way things have been going for the past 8-9 months during the pandemic, you want all of that sweet effects. You don't want any negativity coming in your house. It'll also help remove any negative energy coming in your house or any negative energy that has been in there. Any energy that you've been feeling between you and your lover, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, even your little sides. These brooms are really great. You can keep them in the car. So when you want to sweeten the energy between certain individuals that you're going to be around in your car, great, add them in there. I've added them in my bag, taking them to work. I have them in my trunks. They're literally everywhere in my house that I want that sweet energy and connections. Use yellow candles, use pink candles, use red candles. Now, if you want a broom to sweep things up and to clear away negativity and energy, this is the broom. You will use a straw broom. I use this to cleanse all of my altars. So during the new moon and the full moon on those particular days is a chance for me to get a chance to cleanse my altars that I have for my clients and my customers, and then cleanse my own personal ones. And these straws are also inside of your magic washes. Magic wash is great for cleansing and removing and drawing in new paths and clearer ways for you. So the straw is going to be in there. So straw broom for that, for cleansing, removing, and getting rid of anything negative. To sweeten things up, you use these brooms. You can use image candles. You can use skull candles. You can also use knob candles. I'm not too sure how familiar you guys are with using the knob candles. I'm going to try to post a video to show you how to use your knob candles so that you can get a better idea on how to combine different things. Anytime I send like a free gift, I usually post it. It's either on the shop or it's on my Instagram. And if you're looking for me, I'm always on Instagram posting different things. And my Instagram is linked to my Facebook, so you'll probably see posts pop up a lot in between my Facebook as well. But whenever I don't get a chance to be on here, whenever I'm not really, I guess not really not in the mood, but I don't really have the time to sit down and do a video, because you guys know when I do a video, I really like to talk and explain things. So if I don't really have a chance to do that, then I won't post. But today I have a bit of time, so I'm going to post a few things for you guys to understand. And anytime you get anything with your orders, like even the prosperity incense, I'll tell you how to use it. You get free hand soaps, herbs, roots, curios, all different types of stuff. All you have to do is send a quick message to me and just ask me how to use it. But what I'll do from now on is I'll try to post a link for you on my shop on how to do it and what to use. And it'll probably be a link to send you directly back to my Instagram. Because Instagram, I'm always posting what's free this week, what I'm giving out, what's coming in the orders, different stuff like that. So take your brooms, use them for wishes as well. Add job chairs with them. Add mojo beans. For those of you that have strong desires to sweeten your relationships and your marriages, keep three brooms inside of your bedroom. And I would like you to light a sweet candle, a pink committed candle, and a white marriage candle. If it's not a marriage, but it's a long-term relationship, you can just light a candle for your relationship. You'll add in faithful oil. You'll add in oils to stimulate more love and growth within the relationship. Attraction can go in there as well. And you just work them and pray over them, just like I tell you to do with any ritual. So this is a great idea to add in some brooms to create that love and that affection and that intimacy and passion that you need. They're great for sex as well. You can add some catnip in the bedroom, patchouli, and you can use my sex and roses oil. You can dress yourself. If it's a lover that comes to see you, then what you can do is you can add a little bit of oil to the tips of the broom, and then you place them underneath the bed. And you know, for more enjoyment, you can use my Come To Me oil, CUM, and rub that on your feet and put socks on and dress the room basically. Put the brooms around, set the atmosphere up, and make sure you use your incense. Make sure you're praying. Use your Psalms 23, which is general for every single thing that you want, and then say your small little prayer with it. So just a quick video to explain to you guys how to use them and the correct way you should be adding them within your rituals. They can be added with any spell bottles you're using, any jars, any ritual that you're sweetening, anything that you want more of. Add these cinnamon brooms. Like, subscribe, and stay blessed, guys.